Welcome to the front and back half double stitch, part 16 of the Odyssey of Textures blanket. For this blanket, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 5mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will chain 29. For row 1, half double crochet in the second chain from hook. Then half double crochet into every chain down the row. For row 2, we will chain 1 and turn. You will half double crochet through both loops of the same stitch as the chain 1. Now, half double crochet into the back loop only of the next stitch. Into the next stitch, half double crochet into the front loop only. Repeat this pattern down the row. Half double crochet into the back loop only, then half double crochet into the front loop only. Repeat this until you have 1 stitch remaining. Into the last stitch, half double crochet through both loops. For this square, you always half double crochet through both loops on the first stitch and the last stitch. Repeat row 2 until the piece measures approximately 7 inches. Once it is at 7 inches, it's time for the border. Chain 1 and turn. Place 3 single crochets into the corner. Now, place 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat the instructions around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 evenly spaced single crochets. To join, you will slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. When the square is finished, mark the front with a slip of paper and a pin. For me, my front is when the starting tail is on the bottom right corner.